Hello everyone, greetings from the University of Nevada, Reno Innevation Center Makerspace. Valentine's Day is upon us, and I'm here to show you how to make a quick origami Valentine's Day heart. You can give these to loved ones and craft some unique gifts like these Valentine heart mason jars. So, here we go. To get started, get a 4x1 inch piece of paper. I am using origami paper, but you can use any paper that can be easily folded. Lay the paper horizontally. You're going to fold the top right corner of the paper over to the bottom of the paper. We're going to call this the flag fold. You're going to take that fold that you have made and fold it over to the side, then fold it diagonally towards the top of the paper. You are then going to flag fold this paper horizontally 2 more times, 5 times in total. For the next step, take the top left corner of the paper and flag fold it down to the bottom. No worries if the left triangle isn't the same size as the right. We're going to tuck the bottom left corner into the slip that we have made. This will make the paper into a full triangle. Now, take some scissors and snip the adjacent corners off the long side of the triangle. You're going to take your thumb and push in the long bottom side of the triangle to make a dimple for the heart. And voila! Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below.